U MLA ke Juai constituency u Wailadmiki Shylla kamu kong san ha ke yalang pen sngau tho pai ba wada pen man ha jrong ka phang human rights ne ka hok long bru man bru wa pen man da ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission chru wa ka kiang nang ba government college Juai hak ar ko nyau trik de ong kat nang bon kiren san yo sikai online we kat nang bon kelat yo yutim ki bru le nang jur smat bichaar ki khlem da ti benia ye tri wa sakhian kam te chwa wo bichaar kan tu wo pure we thu benia chwa kat we yi wala de wa panrap le wot ki wan em lang ha kan ki sing ya lang le bon mtip ki jar jar i hong ongu ka hok man bru yar bha ko tang wa chong hajrong kam mon open em kam ya ka kam te i wa kam kan ni ka pen sngau tho em kam open man nei por che por khnang wa ki pai ba u yo ki ye hong Depan kan mu haro hajrong ikul mar perkhat wajia dang ini wadeb ha perdi ki khana skor wa ki pajba ka jala ne watem ye sur ka wi na ki sen sen hima ha po ka wi ka skor he wada em ki wong to iteng khai ye hok ki khana skor ki wa kwa ki upan sngau ye mon yong ki na mo ka freedom of expression he ya to we ni ong to uperkhat wan le wala elat kam ni yibo jia man statement ku bi boy the tem ki khana skor de ki wi wan ki jai ruai ne boy yi uman irwai de ken tin wam sngau sung we wakta ye sngau ki wi wan ki jai bro nei te daw pen rap biang wa ipen sngau tho na mo ka awareness man ko ku em kam ba hakani ke singi de yo iklam pen sngau tho hajrong i hok man bro na ka bi kiri de khot ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission now job Miki Shylla advocate one of Professor Iki Singh Department of Law Nehu.
I'm very happy to be a part of this program, and also I would like to share some of my concern, especially in today's time where there are so many universities are coming up online. That is the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, where there are so many information are coming. I'm not saying that they are all wrong, but at the same time, they are not all right. And what is the sad part is that now the people are so quick in giving the judgment. Before knowing the true fact, they tend to pass the judgment. So I would like to urge, especially the student present here today, that you please read. Please read as much as you can. Let's be frank here. Let's be frank here that most of us here, we don't know even our own right. I think that's the fact. Let's be honest. So that's why we need to know, we need to read more. And I'm very happy to learn, to know, especially from Kongiri, that Meghalaya Human Rights Commission is visiting places from time to time, and especially in Giant Hills. And I would like to urge them to organize such awareness program in different schools and colleges in West Giant Hills or other part of the state as well. Because like, I think I won't go through about so many things all the learned speakers have already mentioned. But I like to say that human right is a very vast. It's very vast. And it's depend on how we interpret it. But what our concern is, what our main concern should be, that we should focus that the basic human right should be given to the citizen. And that's why from the government side, I'm very happy that recently we able to inaugurate the district session court here in West Giant Hill in Claytorshire. And I'm confident that with the coming up of this very beautiful infrastructure, which is one of the biggest in the state, that justice will not be denied and also will not be delayed to the citizen of our district and of our state. And like I said, I would like to urge upon again that such kind of awareness program should be organized from time to time. Because there is a big confusion which is going on among the students or the people of the state. Just recently, we have witnessed one big debate about playing one political song in the educational institute, where most of the students or the people have said that it is the violation of the freedom of expression of the student. But at the same time, we should keep in mind that if we allow today, it's not about only of this song, but what about tomorrow? If some student come up with a song with a harsh words, or maybe a satanic song, or maybe a song which means like affect the sentiment of other section of the people. So we have to think about all this. So that's why awareness is very important. So I'm very happy to inform you as well that very soon, within few days, the government of Meghalaya will be inaugurating the National Law College in Mount Everest, which again, it will help us to make sure that the human right, the basic human right, is enforced in our state.